going to see one of my regulars, Linus, today. He was not doing too well over the weekend. His mom reached out to me a couple of times for some ideas of things to try with him. He is an old boy. So, checking in on him today to see how he's doing. And I'm taking you guys with me. All right, let's see what my boy's doing. Hey, Bug. Hi, puppy. What you doing, Linus? Hi. Hi, how you feeling today? You're limping still. You're limping still. Oh, big stretch, Bubba's. Yeah, I know. You know I'm going to give you your stuff. You know. Handsome boy. Good catch. Ready? Good boy. Good boy. All right. Let's get your pain meds done. Okay, kiddo. I know, I'm working on it. I gotta cover them up good or you'll spit them out. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Ready? Good catch. You ready to go out now? Come on, let's go. We'll just go out in the yard since you're limping quite a bit instead of going on a walk, okay? Good boy. Lick the bowl. Make sure all the treats are gone. Good boy. That's good man. Yeah, what tank? Good boy. Be good, sweet boy. I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye, Pumpkin.